In the spring of 2011, a significant event occurred. The first World Nature Quest called together 35 groups in 17 countries to simultaneously honor the earth and spirit. At sunset and sunrise, groups shared ceremonies around the world. Many participants received awareness training and nature sensing activities in preparation to journey alone into wild nature. Some groups honored their own unique process. All shared a clear, powerful intention to cherish the many gifts of Gaia. The World Nature Quest is restoring sacred practices connecting directly with the natural world. Our ancestors honored the sacred gift of life. Their ceremonies embraced the mystery of spirit and the wonders of the earth. Now, the demands of contemporary life separate modern humans from the wild world of nature we love. Too many have forgotten how to authentically connect. Meeting this challenge of separation, the annual World Nature Quest is planting precious seeds to foster deep ecological awareness. Come back into balance and harmony with the rhythms and cycles of earth and spirit. Direct communion in the wild is powerfully healing. Quiet self-reflection is an effective antidote for the imbalances and alienation created by our modern way of life. With great respect for all cultures, faith traditions, and indigenous wisdom teachings, this process restores our connection with the earth, Great Spirit, and the joyful gift of life. Alone time awakens our hearts, reveals our inner landscape, and clarifies our life's purpose. Imagine yourself returning home to your true self. Ancient and timeless ways of knowing are rediscovered as we embrace all that is. Giving back our love and appreciation opens the pathway to receive restorative life force energy from Mother Earth and Spirit. Intimate solo time in nature offers unique gifts and creative insight for those who venture on this path. Here is just one powerful example.
I've worked in the sustainability field for about the last 18, 20 years. And I just had this feeling late that afternoon that everything that sustainability is about, if we don't heal the human heart and our connection to nature, it doesn't matter. All these external initiatives and everything that's going on in sustainability, it doesn't matter if we don't heal the human heart. So that was very powerful for me.
Relaxed presence, emotional tranquility, clarity, and creativity arise within the awareness of the World Nature Questers. An entirely new consciousness is born. You are invited to join the World Nature Quest adventure in early June 2012, when we will engage in shared ceremony all around the world. For information on how to support and participate in this important global event, visit worldnaturequest.org.